Then ASTC rule is the most important rule. Repeatedly I have been telling. Once again, I make you recollect that ASTC rule. If you know it is okay, otherwise copy down the figure. So this is Q1 is plus quadrant, Q2 is minus plus quadrant, Q3 is minus quadrant, Q4 plus minus quadrant. Now, what is this ASTC rule? Here, all ratios will have positive sign. S means sign. In second quadrant, sign cosecant positive, other ratios negative. Here, tan dot positive, others negative. Cos secant positive, others negative. So that is coming because of the change in sign of x and y. And you must remember that R is always a positive quantity. And also we require the identities. What are those? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta. And 1 plus cos square theta is equal to cosecant square theta. You must be thorough with these three identities to work the problems in the exercise. You need to have those. Because in trigonometry, if one ratio is known, you can find all the other 5 ratios. See, basically we have 3: sin, cos, and tan, and the reciprocals are 3. So altogether 6 ratios will be had. Okay. Now copy down everything fast. Now put exercise 3.2. Exercise 3.2. Find the values of other 5 trigonometric ratios, trigonometric functions. Other 5 trigonometric functions in exercises 1 to 5. So in all these 5 problems, one trigonometric ratio is given and you are asked to find the remaining 5 ratios. And in all the problems, problem number 1, cos x is equal to 1 by 2 x lies in the third quadrant. Number 2, sin x is equal to 3 by 5 x lies in the second quadrant. Number 3, cos x is equal to 3 by 4 x light. Sorry, cot x, not cos x, this is cot x. Cot x is equal to 3 by 4 x light in the third quadrant. Number 4, secant x is equal to 13 by 5 x light in the fourth quadrant. Number 5 and the last problem in this model, tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12 x light in the second quadrant. As we explaining problem number 1, problem number 3, 5. Odd numbers I am answering, even numbers we have. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by make a correction to the problem. Cos x is equal to minus 1 by see, there are two different ways to solve these problems. I explain both methods, whichever easy you can follow. Problem number 1, cos x is equal to minus 1 by 2 x light in Q3. So whenever one ratio is known, automatically you can find the reciprocal of that one. So directly you can find secant x is nothing but 1 by cos x is nothing but 1 by 1 by 1 by 2 with minus gives you minus. Now using identities, sin square x is equal to 1 minus cos square x. I have explained this. Now substitute for cos. 1 minus cos x is given as minus 1 by 2. So minus 1 by 2 whole square. Minus whole square is plus. You are getting 1 by 1 by 4. This is equal to 3 by 4. You must be thorough with simple fractions. I am not going to take LCM and all these things. Now, sin x is equal to root of plus or minus root of 3 by 4. Means you are getting plus or minus root 3 by 2. Now in the beginning I said, why we use plus or minus means Basing on the quadrant in which the terminal side lies, we have to give the sign for the trigonometric ratio. Third quadrant. Third quadrant belongs to tan. That is tan ratio. Means all of the ratios are negative. Sin will be negative. Therefore, sin x is equal to minus root 3 by 2. Since x belongs to Q3. Basing on the quadrant only, you have to fix the sign. So come on, copy down fast. Instead of using all these things, I will be giving a simple method. First, let us go with the traditional method. Now, when sin ratio we have, we can find the reciprocal. Therefore, cosecant x. Cosecant is nothing but 1 by sin. Is nothing but, we take the reciprocal, minus 2 by root 3. So, one ratio is given. Already we got 1, 2, 3 ratios we got. Two more are there. We know that tan x is equal to sin x by cos x. We know the values of sin x and cos x. Substitute them. Sin x is how much? Minus root 3 by 2 by cos x is minus 1 by 2. Minus minus cancels. 2 also gets cancelled. You are getting root 3. Why we are getting positive? Because x lies in the third quadrant. Third quadrant belongs to tan ratio. So it is positive. Therefore, what is cot ratio? Cot x is nothing but reciprocal of tan is nothing but 1 by 2. So unless you are thorough with the identities, it's not easy for you to find out. That's why those identities we have learned at school level, again I have explained them. So be thorough with them. Clear? First I will be working all these with the traditional method I said. You must follow everything very carefully, then only you will be out of confusion. Don't have any diversion from the topic. Next, I move on to problem number 3. Not 3, 4. 1, 3, 5. Okay, problem number 3. We can give hundreds of problems if anybody is interested to work. Trigonometry, we can frame the problems, any number of problems you want. Directly I can write them. Only thing you must be thorough with the right angled triangle. Third problem, cot x is equal to 3 by 4 belongs to Q3. So now chord is given. When chord is given, think of the identities. Now what is tan x? Tan x is 1 by chord x is equal to 1 by 3 by 4 is nothing but 4 by 3. Next, we have the relation. Cosecant square x is equal to 1 plus cos square x. That is the third identity which we have. So this is nothing but 1 plus cot x is given as 3 by 4. 3 by 4 whole square is nothing but 1 plus 9 by 16 is nothing but 16 is LCM. 16 plus 9, 25 by 16. So this is cosecant square x. Now, cosecant x is equal to plus or minus root of 25 by 16 is nothing but plus or minus 5. Come down fast. These actually I have to give for your work, but still, because you are in the beginning, I am explaining all these things. Let's see what is given. Cot x is given. This is important. X belongs to Q3 is given. So tan x is nothing but reciprocal of cot x. Now this is the identity which we have gone through. Now x lies in Q3. Cosecant is equal to minus 5 by 4 since x belongs to 3. Sin x is nothing but the reciprocal of cosecant. Sin x is equal to 1 by cosecant x. Take the reciprocal of this is nothing but minus 4 by 5. So this is the advantage of identities. Without using all these things, I give another method for you. It doesn't mean to say that we need not remember the identity. For these small bits, no need for us to work in a lengthy way. So I will be giving shorter way of working these problems if time permits today. Otherwise tomorrow I will be giving. Next, what we require, we have already 4 ratios. Cot is given, tan is the reciprocal of cot. Then we have determined cosecant x, reciprocal of cosecant x is sin. Now 2 more are left, cos and secant. Secant square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. This is nothing but 1 plus tan is 4 by whole square. This is nothing but 1 plus 16 by 9 is nothing but 9 is LCM. 9 plus 16 is 25 by 9. That is secant square x. Secant x is equal to plus or minus root of 25 by 9 is plus or minus 5 by 2. Where does x lie? X lies in third quadrant. Third quadrant, sine and its reciprocal, cos and its reciprocal are negative. Therefore, secant x is equal to minus 5 by 3. Write the reason why it is. X belongs to 3 and cos x is nothing but 1 by secant x is nothing but minus 3 by.
They have studied. It is one subject which you can play in different ways, provided you have.
Problem number 5. Tan x is equal to minus 5 by 12. And x belongs to Q2 because second quadrant sine is positive means sine and its reciprocal are positive, all other ratios are negative. That's why tan is going with a negative sign. That is very, very important. A6 rule. Now, when tan is given, cot is the reciprocal is nothing but minus 12 by 5. Now we have tan ratio, we have cot ratio, thereby using identities, we can find out secant and cosecant. Reciprocal of secant is cos, reciprocal of cosecant is sine. Secant square is 1 plus tan square x is equal to 1 plus minus 5 by 12 whole square. This is 1 plus minus whole square is plus 25 by 144 is nothing but 144 is the LCM. 144 plus 25 is 169 by 144. So come on, be fast. Secant square x value we got. Secant x is equal to plus or minus root of 169 by 144. Already I told in the beginning, every one of you must be thorough with the squares up to 25. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, up to 25 square. Now this is nothing but plus or minus square root of this is 13 by 12. If you don't know the square roots, I am helpless. Learn them at home. Secant x is equal to, where does x lie? X lies in the second quadrant. Second quadrant belongs to sine and its reciprocal. Means those two are positive, all other ratios are negative. So what you have to do? You have to give a negative sign. minus 13 by cos. Cos x equal to 1 by secant x. This is since x belongs to Q2. You keep on writing like that to avoid any confusion. That is very important ASTC. So, reciprocal of this is nothing but minus 12 by 13. Now, we have cosecant square x is equal to 1 plus cos square. This is equal to 1 plus minus 12 by 5 whole square. This is equal to 1 plus 144 by 25. 25 is LCM. 25 plus 144 is 169 by 25. And cosecant x is equal to plus or minus root over 169 by 25 is nothing but plus or minus 13 by 5. Cosecant x is equal to positive value you have to take. Same. X belongs to Q2. Second quadrant positive. And lastly, sin x is equal to 1 by cosecant x is nothing but 5 by. That is the end of today's class. Tomorrow I will be giving the alternate method also. Okay. Have a nice time. Exactly.